One time, I felt sad when I failed a difficult math test. But then, I thought about why I made mistakes. I learned from my mistakes. And I studied harder.
It's important to learn from failure.
I didn't give up. This helped me succeed. After I tried again and passed the test. I felt very proud and happy. Failure helped me become smarter. You know, failing that test was tough, but it really showed me how important it is to learn from your mistakes.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect, it's about growing. That's what makes you stronger.